Hey everyone, welcome back. I don't know if this is a good topic to share with you guys or not, but a few days ago, I met with some close family members and I was trying to orange pill them, trying to get them to look into Bitcoin before Bitcoin hits another all-time high. Just a few sentences out of my mouth and they cut me off, saying investing in Bitcoin is no different from gambling at the casino. It took me some time to convince one of them to at least look into it. So I'm trying this. I want to explain it to you, especially if you're new to Bitcoin or still on the fence. Let's get one thing straight. Investing in Bitcoin is not like gambling at the casino. But why do so many people still comparing the two? Because they don't understand how Bitcoin works. The real difference between the casinos and Bitcoin? In one, the house always wins. In the other, patience and conviction make you a winner, not a financial advice. If you think Bitcoin is gambling, you're playing the wrong game. And today, I'm going to prove it. Imagine you walk into the casino with $1,000 in cash. You exchange it for 10 chips, each worth $100. You sit at the table feeling lucky. You bet it all in one hand. The dealer flips the cards and boom, you lose. All 10 chips gone. Your $1,000 vanished. Now, let's compare that to Bitcoin. You take $1,000 and buy Bitcoins. Let's say right now it's $100,000 per Bitcoin. That's give you 1 million Satoshi. 1 million Satoshi. Tiny pieces of Bitcoin. But let's say Bitcoin crashes 99% overnight. Now I'm just making up the worst case scenario. But most of us know Bitcoin has never gone down 99%. At that point, your $1,000 investment is now worth $10. You lose value, but here's the key difference. You still have all 1 million Satoshis. At the casino, when you lose, you're done. But with Bitcoins, as long as you hold on to it, you haven't lost anything. And if you know Bitcoin history, you already know it always comes back. And here's why Bitcoin is not gambling. It's a game of time, not chance. Bitcoin run on a 4-year cycle called the halving. This is where the amount of new Bitcoins being created gets cut in half. Less supply, same or more demand. It's programmed into Bitcoin's code. And if you study Bitcoin history, you'll see that every 4 years, Bitcoin has gone higher than before. That's why holding for at least one full cycle is the key. Not trading, not panicking, just hold through the volatility. You think Bitcoin is just for the retail investors? Wake up, my friend. The big players are stacking Bitcoins like their future depends on it. Institutions are allocating billions. Countries are adding Bitcoins to their reserves. Banks are going to scramble to offer Bitcoin services to the customer. Even the United States, the most powerful countries in the world, holds over 200,000 Bitcoin and they're not selling. They're stockpiling. That's all the proof you need. So when someone tells you Bitcoin is gambling, ask them this. Why are the world's biggest financial player betting on its long term? Because they know something that the average person doesn't. And here's when Bitcoin becomes gambling. When you panic sell at the bottom, when you try to times the market instead of just holding, if you chase quick gains, you'll end up like the casino gambler, broke and frustrated. And what happens next? You will sell low, never buy back, and start telling everyone Bitcoin is a scam. When in reality, you just played the wrong game. Bitcoin is not about making a quick buck. It's about playing the long game. The ones who win aren't the trader trying to flip for small gains. The winners are the ones who stack, hold, and wait. If you buy Bitcoin, give it at least 4 years, stay patient, and the protocol itself will do the work. Bitcoin is designed to go up over time. That's why those who truly understand Bitcoin aren't thinking about selling. They're holding for life. They're stacking for future generations. Now, let's say you do take profits one day. Please use it wisely. Buy a home for your family. Build something that lasts. But don't waste it on luxury car or vacations that disappear overnight. So, is investing in Bitcoins like gambling at the casino? Only if you don't know what you're doing. The difference is simple. At the casino, the house always wins. In Bitcoin, time and conviction make you the winner. Don't be the gambler, be the stacker, and don't forget to hold it tight and stack it right. Take care. Thank you for watching.